Hello everyone, for today's magic tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a principle in magic that has to do with card forces. Now, card forces are usually used by magicians to make a spectator or force a spectator to select a certain card that's used in a certain magic trick. However, card forces can also be used to reveal a freely selected card that a spectator may choose in a magic trick, okay? So let's just assume that a spectator freely selects this card here, the ace of clubs. I'll take the ace, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. I have no idea where it is, give the deck a nice shuffle, and I have no idea what card the spectator selected either. I'm demonstrating this for you guys at home so you can see that obviously I knew the ace of clubs, but I would never have known what card they picked. But if I just feel through the cards, I can feel that their card is approximately 17 cards from the top, and I'll cut the deck right there, mark it with the other half with a crisscross cut. And wouldn't it be amazing if I were able to find their selected card, the ace of clubs? Now that's cross-cut finds your card, and you can also use a variety of different card forces to actually find a selected card, a freely selected card. Now, before I show you how to do this, as always, please like and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if anybody out there is looking to become a channel member, just go ahead and click on that tab in YouTube and it gives you all that information, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. All right, crosscut finds your card tutorial. Now, you have a regular deck of cards, and you can use your favorite card force for this trick, just depending on how you set up, what card you want to force on the spectator is what card, where you would need to get your card in the deck of cards in order to reveal it. So card forces are usually used to force a card, but they can also be used to reveal in a special way a freely selected card. So you just have a regular deck of cards, no order, well mixed, well shuffled, and I'll just show you what I did. I had the spectator select a card, and then you want to get the card to the top because I used the cut force, and I have tutorials, a whole playlist on different types of forces that you can use for this trick, just depending if you need the card on the top or on the bottom, second from the top, etc. Okay, so I just dropped a few cards, okay, dribbled down a few cards, and then when I revealed what card the spectator has selected, I'm just flicking down 2 cards here. So that's 1, that's 2, and then just with gravity, I turn over 1 card, okay? So that's the King of Hearts. So that's actually 2 cards here. There's an Ace of Hearts and a King of Hearts, but you only see as 1 card, and this is kind of the way I control cards to the top when I do my video shorts too. And I have a playlist on 3 different ways on how to get the card, selected card to the top of the deck. Okay, so I'll say the spectator selected the King of Hearts. This is an indifferent card, not the King of Hearts. In this case, it's the Ace of Hearts. I'll just place this somewhere in the middle of this stack of cards, and then this stack just goes somewhere in the middle of this stack of cards, leaving the King of Hearts on top, okay? For this trick, you just need the King of Hearts on top. I can shuffle the cards as many times as I want, just as long as I keep the King of Hearts on the top of the deck. See, the King is still there. I'm just shuffling that card last, maintaining that top position, and then just do the cut force, which is just cutting cards, placing them on the bottom of the table, placing the other stack on top of them in a crisscross kind of formation. Here, this is the top card, but if you do a little bit of patter script, between the time that you cut the card and reveal it, it gives a little bit of misdirection to the spectator that this isn't the top card. This is actually, they think that it's somewhere in the middle of the deck. I just say, I've cut 18 cards down from the top. I think that's where your card is. And then when I reveal it, it's their card, okay? And then that's just the cut force. But you can use, any kind of force. If you do a slip force, where you're sliding the card off the top to reveal their card that way. I just wanted to explain in this video some of the principles that can be used Because most people, most magicians, that especially the ones that are just starting out, when they learn a card force, they don't realize that a card force can also be used to reveal a freely selected card. So you can have a freely selected card, control it to the top of the deck, control it to the bottom of the deck, and then reveal it via some kind of card force, where then the spectator thinks that they've actually found the card themselves, or the magician can do, you know, some kind of neat cut, etc., to find the card that way. Okay, so that's just what I wanted to explain today, just a little bit of principle and basic magic, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you have that bell ring when you subscribe to this channel, because it'll notify you when I post new tutorials, and I post new tutorials about once a week, usually on Wednesday mornings. Okay, so I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and until next time.